our Charvik Academia. Myself Bhavin Chulera, I am teaching since the last 7 years. I am going to teach you about the digestive system. That is, we all know that is the greatest system in our body. In our body, there are many of systems that are interconnected with each other. So now today we are learn a master trick how to getting understand that our digestive system. Digestive system is essential for producing energy and absorb minerals that are very much useful for our body development and our regular activities. So how it will be converted to food, from the food to the energy and minerals. The first stage, or we can say first organ that participate in our digestive system is known as the mouth, where the teeth and tongue and salivary gland are helping organs to the mouth, which are starting a carbohydrate digestion in our mouth, and essential hormone is known as amylase. Afterwards, esophagus pipe. Our food particles are going to the stomach from the esophagus pipe, where in a stomach 2 to 3 hours taking for a shaking, and our solid food are converted to the semi-liquid stage. Afterwards, the food which are in a semi-liquid stage going to the small intestine, where the complete digestive system or digestive process occurs. And at last but not least, undigested part or food are going to large intestine, where the essential minerals and water will be reabsorbed, which are very useful for our body. And non-digested food part are excreted by the anus from our body. So like this, all other concept of science we will learn in our Charvik Academia. So I am inviting all of you students, welcome to Charvik Academia. Thank you so much.
My dear students, hope you all have enjoyed the understanding of most important concept of these subjects in this demo lectures. Don't be sad. This is not where we have finished. This was just a drop from the ocean of our academia. Students, our experts have designed a few exclusive packages just for you to provide not only a full series of lecture but also the chapter topic wise test series with deep analysis, like precise timing you spend on every question you attempted. Listen carefully. Precise timing you spend on every question you attempted. This is the most important factor for your exam timing. Same live doubt session is also there, live lectures is also there, and much more in our packages. So I explain you all our 5 packages. You just select any one you like. So our first plan is bronze plan. This plan includes the recording of video lectures series in HD quality. So you get precise recording. Our second plan is silver plan. Here, along with recorded video lecture series, as I explained, you get chapter topic wise test series with in-depth analysis. Right, student? Our third plan is gold plan. This plan covers the benefits of both bronze and silver plan. In addition, you will get monthly live doubt sessions as per the time slot scheduled. Right? Fourth one is, dear students, platinum plan. This plan includes weekly live doubt solving sessions as per the time slot scheduled, and separate video for the topic which were found to be weak during the test series analysis. Right? This is the most important for you. In addition, the benefits of the bronze, silver and gold plan remain. And our last diamond plan. This plan includes live lectures with doubt solving sessions and chapter topic wise test series. The video recording of the same live lecture will also be available throughout your academic year. Listen carefully. The video recording of the same live lectures will also be available throughout your academic year in your account, right? So dear students, these are our plans. You can start with the bronze plan and upgrade whenever you want. Thank you students. I hope you join the INTERSys family as early as possible.